before you subscribe and share your personal details, there's one important question you need answered first. Is her fantasy box actually worth your money in 2025? Or is it just another adult subscription box built on hype? In this Her Fantasy Box Honest Review, I'm breaking down exactly what herfantasybox.com claims to offer, how the subscription works, and what results users can realistically expect, without exaggeration or bias. Her Fantasy Box markets itself as a monthly adult subscription box that delivers intimate products designed to enhance pleasure, curiosity, and personal exploration. But when you look closer, there are several points that deserve careful attention. The website presents attractive promises, discreet shipping, and themed boxes, which may appeal to people looking for privacy and convenience. Yet important details like product quality consistency, value for money, subscription flexibility, and cancellation clarity are not always clearly highlighted up front. Some users report satisfactory experiences, while others raise concerns about pricing compared to retail alternatives, box customization limits, and expectations versus reality. This doesn't automatically make Her Fantasy Box a scam, but it does mean it's not a guaranteed fit for everyone either. In 2025, with so many adult subscription services available, it's important to evaluate whether this platform offers genuine value or simply repackages common items under a subscription model. In this video, I focus on what Her Fantasy Box does well, where it may fall short, and what kind of buyer should consider it carefully before subscribing. If you're searching for an honest, balanced answer to whether herfantasybox.com is legit or a potential disappointment, this review will help you make an informed decision before spending your money.